Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a professional flyer design in Adobe Illustrator. First, go to File New. From the Print tab, select A4 size. Set the units to inches. Add a 0.125-inch bleed on all sides. Choose CMYK color mode with 300 ppi resolution, and then click Create. Now, take the Rectangle tool, M, and draw a rectangle covering the entire artboard. This will be our flyer's background. Make sure it extends to the bleed area to avoid any white edges when printed. After setting the background, take the pen tool and draw a custom shape on the artboard. Once the shape is created, select it and change its color to make it stand out. Now, with the Direct Selection tool, click on this anchor point and drag to round off the edge, giving the shape a softer and more stylish look. Next, draw another rectangle using the Rectangle tool. Apply a different color to it, and then rotate or change its direction to add some dynamic movement to the design. Place this rectangle in a suitable position. Make copy of this rectangle. Now rotate this shape. Right-click on this shape, go to Arrange, and from the drop-down menu select Bring to Front so it stays on top of other elements. Now, using the Direct Selection tool, click on this anchor point and drag it to round off the edge for a stylish curve. Repeat the same process for this rectangle as well to keep the design consistent. Select the entire design along with the background. Choose the Shape Builder tool, and while holding down Alt and left-clicking, remove any extra parts that extend outside the bleed area. Now, draw another rectangle. Swap the fill color to stroke and set the fill color to none so that only the outline of the rectangle is visible. Position this rectangle over this rectangle neatly in your design to enhance the layout. After that, make a copy of this rectangle and place the duplicate on this rectangle of the flyer, creating balance to the overall composition. Next, draw another rectangle while holding Shift to keep it perfectly proportioned. With the Direct Selection tool, select the anchor points and make all the edges slightly rounded to give the shape a softer appearance. Place this rounded rectangle in a suitable location on the flyer where it complements the existing design. Now, create 3 copies of this shape and arrange them strategically to add more depth and balance to the layout. Next, select the shapes along with the background. Choose the Shape Builder tool, and use Alt+click to remove the parts that extend outside the bleed area. Now, make another copy of the rounded rectangle and place it here. Swap the fill color to stroke so that only the outline is visible. I'm using this gradient color for the shapes, so with the eyedropper tool, apply the gradient fill. Next, select the image according to design and drag your chosen image into Illustrator. Resize it while holding Shift to maintain proportions, and place it beneath this shape. Select both the image and the shape, right-click, and choose Make Clipping Mask. If you need to adjust the position of the image, simply double-click on the mask and reposition it. After that, change the stroke color of the shape to a gradient and increase the stroke weight to give it more emphasis. Now go to File, Place. Choose the images for the other shapes, resize them, and place each one below its corresponding rounded rectangle. Right-click and create a clipping mask. Repeating the same process for the remaining 2 rectangles. Finally, add the text that I've already written to save time. And that's it. Our flyer design is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this tutorial if you found it helpful.